Hey guys, I am at home and I had an idea. Looking around my house, I saw this creepy doll that used to belong to my wife when she was very, very young. And it's from Macedonia, that's the country she's from. So her dad brought it over about a month ago, and I've been looking at it and been thinking, how can I make that into some piece of art? This is around the same time that I got my SX-70 camera. Shoots SX-70 film. It's an old school Polaroid format, ISO 150, 160 thereabouts. And I thought, what if I shot this doll and made Polaroid transfers of it? It could look really cool and kind of warped. So that is exactly what I'm gonna do today. To get a close-up view of this doll, I am going to put on a macro filter on front of my SX-70. This macro filter fits on the Mint filter set. Attach the macro filter like so. And of course, because the SX-70 is an SLR camera, I'm able to see and focus really well on this, a lot better than I can all the other Polaroid cameras or Instax cameras that I have. I don't have the ability to really focus. I can only guesstimate when I'm working with those cameras. One of the reasons why I love the SX-70. So it's gonna be a while before this fully develops. I'm gonna go take my dogs for a walk, make a cup of tea, and then we'll come back and do our emulsion lift off of the Polaroid. Going to go ahead and cut around. And this backing peels right off. No X-Acto blade needed. Nothing. Got a little bit of my doll off of there, but mostly it's intact. So at this point, I have some warm water. I just stick it in. What I'm gonna transfer these guys onto is simply pure Bristol board. What I'm gonna transfer these guys onto is watercolor paper, which I have here. As I get that white stuff off, you can see the crackle that's happening to my Polaroid. I've added some boiling water to speed up the process. That really helps break the bonds between the plastic sheeting, which is the top of your Polaroid, and the image behind it. Because the water is incredibly hot, I'm just using a brush to push it off. Okay. The skin is loose. It's really loose. It's all over the place. Here's our plastic sheet from the front of the Polaroid. Now my goal is to get the skin in the right direction, have it facing up, so I can slide this right underneath it and get it in position. When I push down in certain areas with my brush, it becomes real easy to see those details.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more creative tutorials, gear reviews and video art. Also check out our Patreon for weekly bonus videos and model photography sets.